Sagan is the leader, the 23-year-old. Look at that. It's his new bike. I don't know. Maybe he could win on that. We'll have to find out exactly what he goes with for stage 2. And for Mark Renshaw.
Čaute, ja som Peter Sagan a jazdím na bajku.
Kind of getting used to that. It must be frustrating in a way, but as we said, he's a bit of a victim of his own success. Is Peter Sagan, and if you look at his season so far this year, some of his biggest victories there on the screen. But just taking this year in particular, I counted it, and there may be some that I've missed, but I counted. He's had 21 victories so far this year. Plus 5 points jerseys, 5 points titles, and 54 career victories so far. And he's still only a youngster.
Yeah, absolutely. And I remember, I think...
And the Astana rider comes across the line, and we get a little wheelie there for...
Peter. Here.
Sagan, che adesso si è rialzato e adesso regala comunque un momento di grande spettacolo eccezionale per Sagan. Tra l'altro hai visto, si è anche voltato per vedere dov'era il gruppo, come a dire non vi voglio disturbare.
Con una mano, tranquillo.
Che fenomeno.
Okay, another one. I'm Peter Sagan. I am a rider for Cannondale Pro Cycling. I'm Bull, and I use Physic Aliante.
And ultimately he still manages to deliver the victory. Peter Sagan, he points to the legs. That's what does it. And one hand, cannot believe that he time up. Is it 8 seconds?
That's what you would do.
Že keď budem dospelý, budem veľký a že budú ma vysielať telky a povediem svet do nového veku, v ktorom je party namiesto vojny a všetci sú oveľa viac svojimi. Dostal som dar, ľudia ma ľúbia a keď hovorím, tak ma počúvajú a keď nechcem aj, tak ma ponúkajú a som star. Planety krúžia a to moje svetlo žiari jasne a skoro všetko je to úžasné.